Welcome to the OPUS Projector tool training. In this video I will show you the day-night mode, what it does, what it is, and how to use and configure it. So I've prepared a wonderful little mock-up dashboard here. As you can see, everything is very light and bright. And of course, if you're looking at such a project on the device in a vehicle at night, it will be maybe too bright. And for this use case, we have now created the possibility to switch between a so-called day theme and a night theme. As you can see, every object gets a much darker look here, much more suitable at night. So, in the projector, you can change this with this little drop down, but it will be of course interesting to do it on the device, and I will quickly show you how to do that. So we put down a button and we will make it roughly squared. Oh, maybe like that. And we will use our new free symbols from this version, and look for a sun that we can use, or maybe this one, and we put it on this button. Oh, sorry, I think the color is set to white. We will not be able to see that sun. Released image. Okay, so how do we switch to the night theme on the device? It's very easy. There is this variable called current theme index, and this can be set to 0 or 1. So what we can do is we set this button to latching right here, and then we just need to connect it or reference it to that button, and now this button will switch between day and night. Okay, so now we will add a moon so that we have a nice counterpart to the sun, and the user can quickly knows what the button is for. But putting it on this button now will not be a good idea. Why? Because this button also has day-night mode activated, and this means that when we switch to the night theme, we have new images. So we first have to switch to night theme, and now we can put in a pressed image. You don't see it now, but here it is. I set it to black again. Okay, so let's make it white. Put it in again. Pressed image. So this will be the pressed image of the dark button, the night theme button, and the day theme button only has the sun. We have connected it to the current theme index variable, and if we simulate that right now, it should look quite good. Wrong page. Okay, let's change that. Set as home page. Start again. Okay, now we are in night mode, and boom, we are in day mode. And you can see the button switches between day and night mode as well. This is why we see the pressed image from the night theme and the released image from the day theme. For existing projects, we also have some options here in the project properties. The first one is generally enable day-night mode. If I uncheck that, you will see oh no, you will not see anything, but just a second. When I create a new object, you will see that day-night mode is not activated. If I wanted to deactivate the day-night mode for all current objects in the project, I would have to click this button. Now you can see a lot has changed here, and each object now does not have day-night mode activated. So this would be a project that you import from a previous version, and you can go here and enable day-night mode and apply it to the project. Here you can also apply themes or use themes as day theme and as night theme for new objects, or if you want to push it on an existing project, then you have to click this button. So now we should have day-night mode enabled, and let's see if the button still works. Now the image is gone because the night theme, the modern dark theme, has been pushed over that object, so our custom setting is gone through this. So be careful with this setting for an existing project. But of course, this is also very important. You cannot only use the look from the themes. First of all, you can create your own themes, just in case you don't know that. You can use any of these three as a starting point and create your own theme, give it a unique name, and you can make changes to the general look of all the objects. Or of course you can just go here and say, okay, this numeric field should be yellow and this one should be red. And this will of course also be saved. So day mode now has these colorful numeric fields, and we can switch to night theme and say as well, okay, here I want a dark purple, and maybe this color, it looks nice. So custom look settings of objects will be saved in the project, even if they are not in themes, because these settings don't have anything to do with themes now per se, but the project now is accompanied by a custom theme which only exists for this project, and this theme has these color settings, or the individual color settings of these objects override the default settings in the night theme and in the day theme. So we hope you will like this this feature. Try it out. Maybe start with a new project, play around a little bit, or try putting it on an existing one. Either way, have fun, and I see you in the next video.